they have what's it called? Requirements. Like
Yeah, I mean, it's
poor
fair
people.
enough. It's fair
Yeah.
enough. There's needy people.
Yeah, like I
We don't need it.
Like I over the house of Isa
Yeah.
over there, they gonna give it.
Yeah, but you know that old woman that's bent over that we're giving food to? We could have given her a lot more food and a bit of money, couldn't we?
Yeah, because normally the only thing that she can have a money is just begging money to Central. But now it's because of lockdown, they cannot able to go out. I don't know
Yeah.
what's gonna be happens to her. Oh, it's very hot.
I feel as weak as anything. God, you know what? I've never... You keep saying I moan. My God.
What's that?
I haven't got fast in me. I'm weak with no food.
Because you know the heat of the summer is very different. Not normally heat.
We should be asking shopkeepers how it's affecting the business and what have you.
The one that they had said no visitor.
Yeah. Don't know if
Yeah,
the-
because even the shop, the sari store,
yeah.
they're not allowing to open. Like 12 midnight, 1 o'clock. Just shut down around 8 or 9.
There was people saying they like your other shorts, the tighter ones with the holes in them. Yeah, Mark Irons says he loves them shorts.
I'm gonna buy more.
Yeah.
I just buy that in Ukay.
So anyway, guys, at the beginning and probably at the end of this video, you'll have seen our merchandise shop displayed. Just
it's open.
yeah,
Ooh, careful.
just a few items, and the link is in the description below for the shop, guys. What I'll do is, I don't know for how many days, but I'll put a 10% discount. Put in Brit 59 and that'll give you 10% off. And even if you don't want to buy anything, some feedback would be good. And of course, respectful feedback would be good. Because we've been getting a bit, I don't know what's going off at the minute. I think
many items that they sold.
we've only sold 5 items on the shop at the minute, guys. We're hoping it's going to take off after all this finishes. I know people are finding themselves a bit stretched at the moment. But I think it's with the live streams we seem to be getting a lot of not nice people on the channel. And the live stream, obviously. Oh. Hello.
Hi. Yes.
How are you?
I'm fine. We have a relief.
Relief.
A relief?
Yeah. I told you, right? They're gonna expect relief.
So, how are you finding the lockdown?
Lockdown.
Are you bored?
No.
Are you running out of money? Yeah.
Yeah, because they normally they selling foods.
Yes, I know.
Yeah.
So, are you still selling foods?
No.
Fuck
Nobody's
it.
people here.
Well,
Not a lot of people.
she's selling food.
Yeah.
Yeah, but not
Over there.
Ah, okay.
not a lot of people. It's lockdown.
So, where's the social distancing?
No.
Where's your mask?
Sorry.
No.
We forgot.
I'm only joking. Thank you.
Okay,
Have a good day.
I told you, right? Where's my relief? I told you. Where's my relief? First,
Oh, what a lovely doggy, eh?
the first word that they ask, where's my relief?
Yeah. So let's ask your ma how she's getting on with the shop, eh?
Gonna buy ano? Uy,
Yeah, in a bit, babe. That's not working out very well, is it? Phew, I feel really tired. I had no sleep last night because of my leg paining for this wound. Hello, two beautiful ladies. Ah, hi. Stop hiding behind my daughter, you.
Say hi, Tia. Tia, say hi. Say hi.
Yeah.
Say hi. Where? Pia, look. Say hi. Hi. Say hi. Hi.
Hello. Fia, say hi.
Uy, say hi. Pia.
Well.
What?
Come here.
Hi.
Where's your mom?
You're blind.
Ma,
Oh.
how's the shop going? Huh?
What do you mean here? Sari-sari store?
No, the one across the road.
Kumusta ang bintahan mo kang sari-sari store? Maluya? It's not good.
No good.
It's not a lot of people buying.
Yeah.
Whole day, she make money 1,000.
That's all day.
Yeah, 1,000.
And it's not what she's made, it's just what she's took. Yeah. You know what, guys? I think the English is getting worse between me and Mal because, yeah, we're going backwards, aren't we? Ask your mum how the shop's going on. What, here? My God. So what we got in the fridge? Oh, we got a bit of beer. No, I don't want anything.
It's not a lot of stuff of my mom's shop. Look.
Well, I don't know. It's not bad. It's not. She's got eggs, but she's got no rice. And that's because she can't afford any, is it? Isn't it? I mean, is it? So we'll leave it at that. It's been quite a long video, guys. Quite a long walk. Hope you've enjoyed it.
Hit the like button and please subscribe and
Share our videos.
But wait! There's more!
Are you ready to see the pakwan?
The Pakwan
Yeah, watermelon.
is like a Pac-Man.
Pakwan. Pakwan.
Pakwan. I
Pakwan.
hope this is the sweet one you've bought me.
Hold.
We've been trying to get some bananas, guys, but we can't get any bananas unless we're going to Centro, and we don't want to go into Centro because it's too hot and
Yeah,
she can
because
only go in on
my
her own.
quarantine pass is Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, 1 to 6 p.m. What if it's not better, right?
Then you said you won't have any of it. I said, are you going to have a shake, babe? She says, only if it's very, very red. So if it's not very red, it means it's not very sweet. Is that right, babe?
Are you ready?
Yeah.
1, 2, my God. It's alright.
Looks very red to me. So what we're going to do, I was just going to have water today, but I wanted some bananas, and because I couldn't get any bananas, we bought this, so I'm going to do a shake.
Shake, shake.
And because it's sweet, it should make me feel a little less hungry.
It's not sweet.
We'll put a little bit of honey in it then. Then it will be sweet. Knife one's sharpening, Mel, if it's doing that. Watch your fingers. Oh, you can have that bit.
No, the knife is sharp because it's.
Now, if the knife was really sharp, Mel, it'd go through like that, like butter.
Just careful. You're so slow, you see? You just try.
I keep telling you not to use the Lord's name in vain. Thank you very much.
Just try. Is it sweet?
Yeah, it's nice. Oh, don't give me that.
Can you shut up?
Can I shake? What? Yeah, you'd love to, wouldn't you? I'm not sure if it's a good idea to buy a gun.
You want me to shake?
Yeah, shake. Go on. Go on, shake.
Like what? Like you know what? You make me stupid.
Make you stupid? I don't need to help you there.
Just ice, and that's what.
Ice, a little bit of water, put a little bit of honey in it.
About the milk.
About what?
Milk.
Milk?
Yeah.
What did you just say to me? I tried to make you stupid.
Yeah.
Milk?
Yeah.
No.
Well, you can.
No, I don't want that kind of shake.
I'm gonna do a
babe.
separate.
Yeah, I don't want that,
Okay.
baby. I don't want that. Thank you very much. Just put a little bit of honey in it for me, just to sweeten it up a bit more. Not much though.
How about the seed? I
Yeah, put
the seed.
yeah, the seed's fine.
Even this. Oh, I
No,
will
not
put
the green
whole.
one. No, don't put that in. Please watch your hands. Do you know what? We got some cans and I didn't realise they didn't have them. You know, where you
Can
could
opener.
that you could flip the lid back.
Because
And she went, "It's all right, I'll do it." She bangs this knife into it, and she's going round it with the knife, and I'm cringing, really cringing.
Because it's so juicy.
What's that mean? Don't even know what that means.
You're gonna put all.
Yeah, put it all in there. I'll just eat it, drink it out of there. Oh no, you're making yours, aren't you? So you need it. Well, you're going to put it in that glass.
You can drink na there.
All right. Don't make it too full because it'll all blow out, won't it, with the blender?
I'm gonna crush first before I put ice.
Yeah. You see this on the bottom of the blender. I had to go online and buy a new one. We'd only used the one that come with it, the NutriBullet, for about half a dozen, maybe 8 times. It started leaking. Yeah, it's because it's just not. Just do it, babe. I'm sorry. Right. You'll get there. It's getting there.
3 days later.
That's enough. Well, my God, it'll not taste. I should have put the honey in it, shouldn't I? You've got to be careful with this NutriBullet, guys, because it leaks. And if it leaks into the motor, you need a new NutriBullet. So there you go. What's a shake? Shake it, baby. Shake, shake it, baby.
To refresh.
Yeah,
because
let's
it's
have a
very
drink.
Hot. It's very hot. How is it? Is it sweet?
Yeah, it's lovely.
Really?
Look at me sweating. It is absolutely burning hot, guys.
Yeah.
Anyway, hope you liked the little bit of a shake
Extra.
video. Bit extra. See you on the next one.
Bye!
Please subscribe to Brit in the Philippines.
sun, searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way. Birds chirping and I hear my name, grasping into a life. Life is happy but it's so insane. We must merely make a strive. Savannah.